Alright, what's going on, guys? This evening, me and the Cane Boy, we're out here at Pilot Knob State Nature Preserve. About to hike up to Boone's Overlook, is the official name of it. Check out the fall color. Hopefully, maybe catch a nice sunset. But let's get hiking. Alright, so right here is the first real trail junction going up to Pilot Knob. You're going to want to stay to the left right here to go up to Pilot Knob. This, I'm not sure exactly where it goes out to. I've never hiked out that way. I usually just come up, go straight up to Boone's Overlook and come back down. But there, you just want to stay to the left and keep hiking up. The trail is blazed with red markers on the trees. So just follow the red markers all the way up. You'll make it up to Boone's Overlook. Alright, so for all the arch lovers and hunters out there, there's a lesser known little arch window here. If you get to this point along the trail where you get this kind of clear, kind of open view of Pilot Knob up there, you just cut off the trail somewhere right around here and go up this way up to the bottom of the knob, go around to the left, and you should see it. I don't know if it has an official name. I've called it a few different things, like Pilot's Window, Boone's Window. I'm not sure if it has an official name though. I'll check when I get home and I'll post it in the video. But let's go check it out. Yeah, so here we are at the little off-trail window I was talking about. Like I said, I don't know if it has an official name. I'll figure it out when I get home. When I post the video, I'll post it down below here in the little comment. But nice little spot right off the cliff line out here. And now we're gonna head up to Boone's Overlook and try to catch a sunset. Alright, so we just made the pretty steep scramble up this hill back here, coming up from the little arch window we stopped at. But to get up to the overlook from down there, you just keep around the left side. When you come up at the bottom, just stay to the left, follow that cliff line all the way around. It'll bring you up right back down here. Pop out right by these big boulders on this part of the trail, and then the overlook, just follow the sun. The overlook's right back that way. Let's go check it out. Alright, so here we are at Boone's Overlook. The Overlook here at Pilot Knob State Nature Preserve near Clay City. You got a nice view back behind me this way out towards like Lexington, Winchester area. And back this way, right about in there is probably the Richmond area. And back in those hills get you back towards around Irvin. Pretty nice view here. We might stick around, try to catch the sunset. We'll check out this other little lookout point right up here. Come back along these rocks. And you caught up where Kane did just now. He knows where we're going. But yeah, if you follow the trail in, you come out right here. And then going down right here is what takes you out to Boone's Overlook. There's a nice little view up here too. Come up here and check it out. Yeah, not a bad little spot. If the overlook's crowded, you can come over here. Still get a good view. You miss out on the sunset over here. You can see it through the trees back here. Alright, so the wind's getting a little chilly, and I kind of like to catch a little more color on the trees. I know that sunset light will really light them up, so we might head on back down. There's not really a lot of clouds in the sky to give the sunset a lot of character anyway. It's just kind of the sun going down, and that's about it. Yeah, I think me and the Kane boys gonna head on down, try to catch a little sunlight on the trees, catch a little more of that fall color. Probably only got about maybe another week of fall color left before it's all down. Things are kind of looking pretty brown around here too. Not as vibrant as the colors in the Big South Fork Monday, but still beautiful. Still a good evening to be out, but getting a little chilly just sitting there. So we're gonna get up, get moving, try to catch some sunlight on the trees, and head on out. Well, I think we waited too late to try to come down and catch the color on the trees, because that sun's done dropped down. Everything's kind of in shadow now. Nothing my camera is really gonna pick up too good. There's a little bit of sunset light still back there. Can't really see it on the front facing camera here, but we're gonna keep heading on out here. Alright, so we just finished up our hike here at Pilot Knob State Nature Preserve. Just got back to the car, about to head home. Unfortunately, we didn't catch the light on the trees like I had hoped for, and skipped on a pretty decent sunset, but you win some, you lose some, I guess. But me and Kane about to head home. Got a little cold, a little hungry, but still a good evening out. But as always, thanks for tagging along. Until next time.